Namaste dear students, today's bio class we continue the lesson tissue. Last class we studied about epithelial tissues and its types. Today we study about muscle tissues and nervous tissues one by one. First is about muscle tissues. These are long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleated cells. Muscle cells contain special proteins called contractile proteins which contract and relax to cause movement. Muscle cells are typically arranged in parallel arrangement, allowing them to work together effectively. Muscle tissues contain elongated cells, so it's also called as muscle fibers. On the basis of their location, structure and function, they are divided into three types. They are smooth muscle fibers, striated muscle cells and cardiac muscle cells. Now, first one is striated muscle tissue. Entire muscle fibers show alternate dark and light strips or bands. So, these are called as striated muscles. They are attached to the bones and are responsible for body movements. So, these are also called as skeletal muscles, and these are work according to our will. So, work voluntarily. These occur in muscles of limbs, faces, neck, etc. So, these provide the force for locomotion and all other voluntary movements of the body. These muscles can get tired and may need rest. Next is about smooth muscle cells. These muscles do not bear any bands or strips. So, these are called as unstriated muscles. Occurs as bundles, spindle shaped and pointed at both ends. These muscles do not work according to our will. So, they are called as involuntary muscles. Movement of food in the alimentary canal, opening and closing of tubes are involuntary. These downward movement of food due to rhythmic contraction and relaxation is called peristaltic movement. It also occurs in the bronchi of the lungs and even iris of eyes and in ureter. Okay. Next is about cardiac muscles. These cells are cylindrical, branched, striated and uninucleate. These muscles contract and relax rapidly, rhythmically throughout a lifetime, involuntarily. These cardiac muscles occurs in the walls of heart. The contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles help to pump and distribute blood to various parts of the body. These are all about muscle tissues. Next we study about nervous tissue. These will transmit information through brain, spinal cord and nerves. Nervous tissue contains highly specialized unit cells called nerve cells or neurons. These neurons have the ability to receive stimuli from within or outside the body and to send signals to different parts of the body. Each neuron has three main parts. They are cell body or cyton, dendrites and axon with nerve endings. The cyton or cell body which contains a central nucleus and cytoplasm from which long thin hair-like parts arise. Many short branched parts are called dendrites. These will pick up signals from other neurons, so the signals that passes along the nerve fibers are called as nerve impulses. Axon carries impulse to the nerve endings or axon terminals. These axons are wrapped by many cells with nucleus to create myelin sheath. So, the functional combination of nerves and muscle fibers is fundamental to most animals. This combination enables to move rapidly in response to stimuli. Okay? These all about nerves and muscle tissues. I think all of you understood the topic. Next class we study about another type of animal tissue, that is connective tissue. Okay? Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.